You know, I think the word grammaring is probably the most conspicuous part of the title of this workshop, and I'm sure people are wondering. So what is grammaring, and is it different from grammar?
Grammaring is a term that was coined by Diane Larsen-Freeman. It's about empowering learners by having them learn to not just manipulate grammatical forms, memorize rules, but for them to understand that there's a relationship between those grammatical forms and specific meanings and use within specific contexts. So Diane Larsen-Freeman posits that grammaring is the fifth skill in learning a language. So you have reading, writing, listening, speaking, and they all have that ing action. This is something we do focus. And she says that grammar is actually the same thing. It shouldn't be thought of as something apart from those skills.
We love grammaring at Color Vowel. Could you spell out for our audience the relationship between Color Vowel and grammaring?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of overlap. Color Vowel is about students learning to notice the sort of the inherent systems of spoken English, the rhythm, the stress. And grammaring is a similar approach to teaching the grammatical structures, finding the patterns in English, not memorizing rules. We'll be looking at some of the things that really perplex students, some of those grammar points that we find we keep revisiting. We will look at articles. We will look at the possessive, that mysterious S that we use so often in English.
What's your favorite grammar point for grammaring? Do you have one?
I do have a fondness for gerunds and infinitives, so that's one reason that we'll be looking at them.
We're here talking about Grammaring the Color Vowel Way, a full-day workshop offered by Jennifer Campion. This is open to the public. If you're a teacher, you should be joining us for this event where we'll be exploring grammar in new and exciting ways that are very practical and easy to carry back to your classroom. Visit our website at colorvowel.com and you'll see Grammaring the Color Vowel Way up there in the top bar. We have a little advert bar with a direct link for that registration, or you can go to colorvowel.com/training to see all of our upcoming events. We look forward to seeing you there. Right, Jennifer?
Definitely.